Are you facing the iCloud mail storage full error and can't send or receive new emails? When your iCloud storage maxes out, it doesn't just affect your mail, it also impacts iCloud Drive, photos, backup, and everything else tied to the Apple ID. Email is usually the first thing to stop working. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the iCloud mail storage full error by walking you through checking what's using your storage, clearing out unnecessary files and emails, upgrading your iCloud storage plan if needed, so you never hit the limit again. And if you need more help, just give us a call at the numbers on the screen. Now, let's begin with the solution. On your iPhone, open Settings. After that, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on the iCloud option. Now, you should click on the Photos option. Remove some photos and files and turn off the Sync This iPhone toggle. Now, check if the problem is resolved after freeing up some space. If yes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, follow the further instructions. Next, tap on the Subscription option in iCloud and upgrade your storage space. Also, you can upgrade to iCloud Plus to get extra storage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.